Hey guys, welcome back to another video of JVL Detailing. My name is Javier Lopez. This is my second video. I've seen that my first video actually had a couple questions and some follow-up, so I'm gonna do a different video regarding another product that I have right here, but as well I'm gonna do a follow-up to the headlight restoration that I did. Today we're gonna be talking about the Cerakote trim coat. Easy to apply ceramic coating. This is a product that I actually found on Facebook. It was something that continued to pop up as one of those ads that you get depending on what you're searching for. The result seems to be fairly accurate when you do some research about it online. This car, the car that I usually work on, is a 2011 Subaru Outback, and the trim on this is actually pretty faded. As I have tried a couple other products, I tried once Solution Finish Black Trim Restored. It did a good job when you're applying it. It lasts only a couple days, but then it fades and it's back to where you were. The Cerakote trim coat is supposed to be lasting up to 200 washes. I'm interested to try this product. Here in Wisconsin, where I live, winter has come upon us, and right now, the only way that you can wash your car sometimes is through the car wash, or you have a heated garage. Currently, I don't have any heat in my garage. I have access to hot water, but it's really not the best solution for it. So we're gonna give it a try and we'll see how it goes. So just do the opening of the bag. This bag comes with, let me see how many, it doesn't tell, but I know it comes with a couple of them. I'm gonna set up gloves. We have a warning: do not apply Cerakote trim coat in direct sunlight, which is good because we're gonna be here in the garage. It's gonna be a cool day. According to the videos that I've watched online, this is the only thing you're gonna be needing. This is a towel or a piece of fabric that comes inside that is pre-moistened with trim coat or the ceramic coating. This is the applicator. It says gloss for the finish that we have here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go. It says that it's gonna last 200 wash guarantee. So we're gonna give it a try. I have recently just washed the car to remove all the salt and debris that I could from the car. Today was a warmer day where I could do it for, I think it's gonna be the last time I was gonna be able to do it this winter. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry everything that I have of excess water, as you can see on the video that I took. There's a couple. According to the instructions, we're supposed to be using the wipe that is inside until it gets dry or soils, and afterwards we're gonna allow 30 minutes before drying or exposing it to moisture. So here we go, guys. We'll see how it goes. Impression so far, has a really strong smell. The cloth is really thick, which is good. You can see that it's fairly thick. It's not as stretchy as I thought it was going to be, which is good. I'm applying it to every single surface that I can see. It does say to do crosshatch motion, so I'm going left to right now. I'm going up and down to try to fill any gaps that I'm missing. As I said, it's a really strong smell on the product. Not pleasant, but I guess we're working with chemicals right now. So continue to apply on the surfaces at all, maybe up close so you can see the result that we're achieving with this product. far so good the way the product is looking. Definitely leaves a glossy finish on the surface. This is some of the overlap marks, so let's hope that those fade away. There we go, that is fully saturated on top. And it's a pretty noticeable difference so far. We'll continue. Hey guys, well, I'm done applicating the Cerakote into all the trim of the car. So far so good, the results look pretty good. Trim definitely came back to look darker. Not exactly as OEM, there is a bit of residue left. There are no instructions to remove any excess throughout the process. Nevertheless, what I noticed I end up doing is when you first open, the cloth that comes inside is really saturating to the product. So the first time you pass it through a surface, you get like oversaturation. So once I opened the second one, I was using the first little piece of cloth that I had to try to spread evenly the product throughout the surface rather than have like a really high spot, a really saturated spot, because once you start going throughout the rest, it soaks up the product since it's really dry trim. And spreading it evenly with the second cloth that I had since the beginning was way better. Definitely the best results you get once you use, it's when you first open the packet and you use it right away in the trim. It saturates that surface and looks really glossy. But as I tell you, then you start noticing that once you start going through the other surfaces, it really doesn't cover as well. So doing the spread out of the product throughout every surface was way better than just doing one or the other. I ended up using 4 of the little applicators that come on the packet. What I definitely advise is have a really well ventilated area, because this product is really strong. Throughout the process, I had to open the garage door to allow the air to refresh. Still right now, what is on the car, I can still smell it, so be aware of that. Don't do it in an enclosed environment. And as well, the other, I gotta say, downfall of the product, if you have it in any surface that is not trimmed, wipe it up right away. If you let it dry for a couple minutes, it's gonna be really hard to remove. You're gonna have to do like almost on any other ceramic coat and reapply it with a wet surface. I had to use the same pad on an area that I had got it on the paint to be able to wipe it off. It seems to be working pretty well so far. We're gonna give it 30 minutes and I'll see if I can keep track of the 200 washes. Seems to be a lot, but at least I'm gonna keep you posted if I see any changes. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna continue to work on the projects on the car. In the future, I'm gonna be doing some decontamination of the wheels and as well doing some ceramic coating on it. So stay tuned for the future. If you haven't given it a like, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Share it and subscribe, and we're gonna continue to work. Thank you. See you soon.